Actually, we did box number 2 first.
That's weird.
So now this is box number 1. This is box 1. I don't know if it makes a difference. I guess it doesn't.
This is gonna be easy.
Okay, this is how it looks out of the box. That's all of the wooden parts that you need. So inside this box you get screws and other things. The tool is also in there. So they've got this thing here that goes on this side here to secure the 2 beds together, but we won't be doing that because these 2 beds will be separated like that. You'll need a screwdriver, maybe pliers, in case something gets stuck, in case one of these wooden things get stuck. This leg is A, this leg is B, and then that's C, and that's D, and because I don't think you can mix them. I don't think you can do A, D, and CB like that. I mean, we didn't try, but we did A, B, and CD for the first one. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to do here, just like that. And just like this. So notice the 3 here are the same distance, and these 2 are closer together, and this is further. Okay, so there's 2 screws here. Okay. Anyway, it's obvious with the holes because these 2 have bigger holes and this one has a smaller hole. Same here. This one has a bigger hole and these 2 have smaller holes. Okay, so these ones are all in. Okay, so all of these are done. A, B, C, D are all done. And now it's time to put these in. Make sure that the little tiny arrow is there because the other one doesn't have the arrow, the flatter side. So the deeper side has the arrow.
The hole.
Yep. This side here, the rounded side will be the top side.
Like this?
And then no, because if that's the top side,
oh, so it's like this.
This will be the top side, and that's the little rubber feet or whatever you call them.
So it's like this?
Yep. So that'll go like that. Little arrow is aligned to the screw in the middle there. Sometimes if it's hard to get in like that, it's because the arrow is not aligned to the screw. Yep, now you can do it. Standing like this, and I just pounded on it like that, and sometimes it's easier to do that. Now, time to use the tool to close the gap.
I think it's still too far.
Okay, so just hold it. Oh yeah, did you make sure that the arrow's there?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me see. Okay.
Oh yeah.
You can feel it. Once they latch on,
No.
you'll be able to feel it. Let me see. Take it out because this is locked and there's still a gap there, so we have to pull the leg back out because it didn't latch on correctly. So even if that's stuck, it's okay. Arrow is aligned. See where the hole is? So make sure the arrow is pointing up where the hole is.
I want to take this out.
So again, that's the rounded area, that part, and that goes on top, and this is top. Okay, there you go. Better. I think it's better when it's laying down like that. And then you just tighten that to close the gap. Okay, so this is D leg here, and that's C leg, and yeah, you do have to match them. So A and B will be together, and then C, D are together with this footboard or headboard. because these screws have to be up like this, like those ones are, because that's where the long panels are gonna go.
Alright, C and D are done now. It's time for A.
Okay.
So this one's A.
Wait, don't forget to put the thing in here before.
Wait, is it
this
upside
goes.
down?
Yeah, it is upside down. No, it's not correct, Ray, because that's the rounded area. I mean part.
So it's supposed to be like
Yeah,
this.
and then that's the one that's gonna go on the floor.
Okay.
So this thing here is always on top.
Okay, so it's this.
Yep. This is leg A,
Oh wait.
and leg B will be on that side there. Here, this way. No, the other way. I think it needs to be like this. Okay, hold it, and I'll tighten it. Okay, so we have to switch them because see how this goes like that, but these are supposed to. So that leg, what letter is that? A is supposed to be on that side there, and B is supposed to be on this side. So it's gonna go like this.
Unscrew.
Okay, let me unscrew it. So B will go on this side. So so one of the panels here, this has the sticker on it, will be, so that's the inside. So this is letter B leg, will be on the right side, and letter A leg will be on the left side there, because these have to be sticking up like that to put it onto the longer
I think
panels.
that one's done.
Okay, here you go. So that's A, leg A. But did it have like
Wow.
these?
Forgot to.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so you forgot to put one of these in before you put those things together. That needs to be in there. There we go. So this will be like this way, like the headboard part. We can just flip it later and see how those screws are sticking out like that. That will be the inside, and the footboard side will be there. And then so the one with a straight edge like this, we'll put here on the left side where a leg is, because so this panel with a straight edge like this, we're gonna put on the outside. This with the smoother side here will be the wall side, so it'll go like that. This is C here, leg C, and that's D there. So A, B, C, D. So we had a hard time to pound these together because the arrow wasn't aligned. So see, once the arrow is aligned, it's easier to close the gap. This rounded part here is actually higher. That's gonna go on the wall side, and the straight edge one is the shorter one, so that's gonna go on the outside like this. just like how we did this. So the side of the wall there, it's the rounded side panel. So that's C on the right side, C leg, and D leg on the left side.
This is,
And that doesn't have the sticker.
this is B.
So that, the one with the sticker on it, that would be leg A, and leg B. B is on the right side, and this wooden panel is higher than the panel on the left side. I mean my left side, which is the left side of that sticker, which is the left side of this sticker. So this panel is lower. So this higher panel will be the wall side.
Those two.
Okay, so we forgot to put one of these round thing on the bottom here, so but you can actually just split the gap like that much and start over. So same thing with this, we forgot to put one of those things in here, so I have to make this loose again and off. Okay. And then we're going to put the mattress on top. All right, so we're leaving a few inches off the wall. And that's how it's supposed to be. A few inches, about 2 inches off the wall. Great. So both bed frames are done. And I like the way it's rounded on the edges here. Like that. That's really good. I mean, it's safer for the kids. Two bed frames. Utaker. Right? Utaker. This thing. So that thing there actually goes on the
I see it.
the shorter panel. There's 2 holes there for it, in case you want to secure the 2 beds together. So that would be the lower side. This thing will go to. But we don't need it because we won't be doing that. These beds will be separated like this. But in case you need it, want to put them together or put them on top of each other, I guess, you will need it. The one at IKEA at the store was half of the size of this. So they were able to put the other frame on top of their bed there.